tiene.
To other stories, now health authorities in France have confirmed the country's first Ebola case linked to the ongoing outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo, raising fresh concerns about the international spread of the deadly virus. This development comes as Uganda also reported a new Ebola infection after more than 2 weeks without a confirmed case. Eunice Omolo has the latest in this Ebola Watch report.
A doctor returning to France from a humanitarian mission in the Democratic Republic of Congo has become the country's first confirmed Ebola case linked to the outbreak. French health officials say the patient is in isolation and contact tracing is underway to identify anyone who may have been exposed to the virus. Authorities have, however, sought to reassure the public, saying the risk of wider transmission remains low. The case comes as the World Health Organization warns that the outbreak in Congo is spreading at unprecedented pace.
This is the largest number of confirmed cases in the first month of an Ebola disease outbreak in Africa. It took 78 days to reach 250 deaths during the 2014 and 2016 West Africa outbreak. In the previous outbreak, 2018-19, it took 130 days, but for this outbreak, it only took 37 days.
More than 1,000 people have been infected and at least 277 have died since the outbreak began.
Tuko naifanya kwa sababu ya kufanya haiko tutaifanya. Decouragement kuna kuya lakini tuko najikaza kufanya.
Meanwhile, Uganda's 16-day streak without a new Ebola case has come to an end. Health authorities have confirmed a fresh infection, bringing the country's total caseload to 20. 15 of the confirmed cases have been linked to importation from neighboring Congo, while 5 were acquired locally. 15 patients have recovered and have been discharged, 3 remain under treatment, and 2 have died. The latest developments highlight the continuing challenge of containing the outbreak as health teams intensify surveillance, contact tracing, and border screening efforts. Across Congo and Uganda, more than 1,100 Ebola cases have now been confirmed, reinforcing calls for rapid detection and community vigilance to prevent further spread. Eunice Omolo, KTN News.